Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new deals from ActiveCampaign to KeyCRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new deals from ActiveCampaign to other systems. For example, in KeyCRM you can create new customers and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, ActiveCampaign. Now select the action, Get Deals, New. At this stage, you need to connect your ActiveCampaign account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the API domain and API key. To get this data, go to your ActiveCampaign personal account. Next, go to Settings, Developers section. Copy the URL and key and paste them into the appropriate fields in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the ActiveCampaign system, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see data for one of your ActiveCampaign transactions. If you are satisfied, click Continue. At this point, setting up the ActiveCampaign data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Select the system KeyCRM. Then select the action, Create Customer. At this stage you need to connect your KeyCRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your KeyCRM personal account. Then go to Settings, General. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage you see KeyCRM fields for creating new customers. You can assign variables from ActiveCampaign to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to KeyCRM in the form of new customers for each new deal from ActiveCampaign. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to KeyCRM. After successful submission, go to KeyCRM and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. At this point, setting up KeyCRM as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.